Hi, I am Mari, welcome to my channel. In the previous video I showed you how to create this type of brush, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a brush to create more glitter style. Okay, this one is completely different from before. So if you want to check the one before, you can click on the link here on the top of the screen. I hope it goes here. Okay, so now let's start. For this brush, what you're gonna do is let's create another layer, and you're going to create a new brush as it comes. The shape is gonna be the same. Before it was differently, we created a shape. In this case, is even more simpler because what you need is a file that is a picture of glitter or a digital representation of glitter. You can find many free files online, but be sure that if you're going to sell the brush, be sure you have the right to monetize that file. I'm gonna share with you the file I'm using, which one you can download also for free. This one will be for free in the description as well. And you can download more from Creative Fabrica, from FreePic. I can leave you also the links below for those websites. But remember, if you're going to sell it later, be sure that you use a file that has commercial use license. Okay, so that being said, here in grain we go here in edit, import, and you can import from where you save your photo. In my case, I save it as a photo here in my last photo, and you will see that the photo has colors. What Procreate does is like take all the saturation down and create this. Okay, so we click done. And we have here like a pattern. We can see it inside, but still you can see the lines. Let me show you here. We change to texturize, and I don't know if you can see, but there is here the line. So we go back to edit, and we click here in auto repeat, and increase the grain scale a little bit until we're comfortable with what we're seeing. I have to say something. Sometimes this has some glitches and it doesn't work and you have to repeat again. It had happened to me with some files when the files are large. Okay, you can change here the overlapping if it's maximum or minimum. I put it maximum because I don't want to see the line dividing. Okay, now I can see a little bit something that is not that those straight lines. So I click done here. Is creating the texture, and now we are closer to what we want. Now we check how it looks. Let's in another layer, yellow kind of color. Okay, one thing that always has this brush is that I like to increase the maximum size of the brush. The Apple Pencil, I don't want the opacity change for that, and that's it. We click done, and we have the brush. And this is an easy way to create glitter as well. Change all the files. With the link below you can find many other photos. You can take the photo yourself. Actually, at the beginning when I was starting doing brushes, making brushes was the same. I actually took a lot of photos, and some of my brushes have original photos taken by me. So this is all for today. It is a very simple brush, and I hope you enjoy creating things with this type of brushes. Hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye!